friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today is a very exciting day here on the Tailored Choice channel. Today is one of the best days of the month, and that is the day in which we get to unbox my November Stitch Fix unboxing. So as always, this is one of my favorite subscription boxes that I've ever received. For those of you guys who haven't seen my previous videos and don't know, Stitch Fix is a monthly, quarterly, yearly, however you want to set it up, clothing subscription service where a stylist sends you, I believe, 5 items that they send directly to your house based on your preferences, style choices, etc. I love this. It's one of my favorite subscription services, as I mentioned, and per the usual for the month, we're going to unbox it, see what I like, see what I don't like, and try it all on so you guys can see it on my body. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start right in. Alright, I was having difficulty opening up this box earlier and cut myself doing it, so we're already starting off on a great note. Alright, so as usual, if you guys don't know, you get the package slip, which you can send all of the items you don't want back to them for no charge. And we got shoes this month, you guys. Ooh, I'm excited. Alright, we're going to set those aside. Let me unwrap all of this so there's not a rustling noise making a bunch of mess, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so let's start with the shoes, because these I'm very excited about. These are very fun. These are some suede, kind of taupey gray, lace-up little heel wedge booties, and I'm very excited about these. They're normally not this type of style that I would go for, and they're by Tom's, which I've noticed a lot of their shoes they must have a partnership with, because a lot of their shoes have kind of the Tom look and feel to them. Forgive me if I'm mistaken, but are Toms still a thing? Like, I don't know if, like, I remember Toms being huge back in the day, but I didn't know if they were still, like, as popular. Oh, and I got a little sticker. How fun. So these are, let's see, is there a style tag on these? Maybe not. Oh, these are the women's Kala forged iron gray suede shoes in a size 7. Very cute, very fun. Again, not totally in love with the lace-up style of the front of these, but they are something I don't have in my closet, and they could be cute. Who knows? I'm excited. Oh gosh. Okay, next, for clothing, I am in love with this. I'll be excited to see how this looks on, but this is just a very basic green and black flannel with the rolled up sleeves, the cute brown buttons. It's a very light kind of linen-y feeling material, so it's not super heavy, which is always good for layering, but this is really, really cute. And this is the Tinsel Hattie 2-pocket button-down top in dark green, size small. That was a mouthful. But yeah, again, you guys know what flannel looks like. Basic green and black flannel. I don't actually even have anything this color in my wardrobe. So again, my favorite thing about Stitch Fix is they send you stuff that you don't have. Fill in the gaps in your wardrobe with some fun things. And I'm excited. This is cute. We'll see how this looks on. Next, we have what looks like a very cozy sweater. Ooh, okay, I like this. So this is a gray and black or navy. I think that's a navy. Gray and navy swiped like cardigan style sweater. Super long sleeves, which are ruched on the end, which I love. Super drapey, super like flowy. I really like this. As you can tell, I enjoy some stripes in my wardrobe. But this is just really soft and really cozy feeling, like super perfect to like cozy up in the winter time. Not that it gets cold here. For those of you that don't know, I live in California. It doesn't get cold here very often. But this is the Sophie Rue Demeter cardigan in gray, size small. So again, super cute, very much in what I would normally wear in my normal everyday wardrobe. So this is fun. I like it. Next, we have, oh, what is this? Ooh, is this a dress or a... This is a very fun box, you guys. Last month, if you guys remember, was not quite my taste, my forte. This is like chef's kiss. Very good choices this month. Like, definitely all stuff that I would like actually pick out on my own, you know what I mean? So this is a very fun, I have to see how low cut this is, because look, this is like open in the front. But this is a very cute, like speckled navy blue and gray and cream and brown like romper with like a wider leg, very flowy, very heavy as well too. With the longer sleeves, it does have the ruching on the ends here, so it's probably like a 3/4 length sleeve. This is actually really cute. Like real cute. Oh, and it's got a little like tie belt on the side, on the bottom that you can kind of ruche in the front. I'm intrigued. I'm very intrigued. This is the Kaelyn Leona roll tab knit jumpsuit in navy size small. This is like this is a heavy outfit. Like this is really good quality, I can tell. And this will be cute. I'm excited to see how this looks. It's either gonna be one of those where it looks really, really good on or really not so good. So we'll have to see. Stay. All right, and last but not least, we have jeans. So these look like a really standard skinny navy, just plain. Oh, these are cute. Like skinny jean. Nothing too crazy, some markups on the front, a little bit of more light wash, and then some like the lines in the front here. I don't know how I feel about like the wash of it. I wish it was kind of all the same dark color, you know what I mean? But these look really nice. They're really cute. They look really comfortable. They're very stretchy. I've been impressed with the Stitch Fix jeans too. I'm actually wearing a pair right now that I got from them. And these are the, let's see what size are these. These are the cut from the cloth Dana skinny jean in navy size 0. And they're toothpick skinny. Interesting. So there you go. But yeah, I'm actually really excited about this box, you guys. Like, again, a lot of cute stuff that like is definitely in my like normal wheelhouse of what I would wear. I do love when I get kind of out there boxes from Stitch Fix, but it's also kind of nice to be like, oh yeah, I would probably wear everything that I pulled out of this box, which is dangerous for my wallet, but also great for my wardrobe. This is the dilemma of my life. So with that in mind, I'm gonna go ahead now and try all these on. So without further ado, let's get to the fun part and trying all these things. Hello friends. All right, so this is the green flannel. Let me go ahead and show you guys the whole thing. This is the green flannel. You can't see it, but I just stomped my heel on a freaking corner of a book. Ow. Okay. Anyways, so this is the flannel. It actually is very lightweight, super comfortable, and it actually fits really well because sometimes, since, you know, you girls know, when you got a bigger chest, you get the stuff that pulls here, and I feel like this just lays so nicely. It's light, it's flowy, but I feel like this would also be perfect for layering. I like this. Big thumbs up. Okay, so this is the problem with Stitch Fix boxes that are curated exactly to my taste. I like everything. We're 2 for 2 so far, and I'm loving this sweater. It's so cozy and so soft and so comfortable and long, so you could wear it with leggings and just like be living your best comfy cozy life. It's fall, it's seasonal, it's long with the sleeves, so you can like scrunch them up around your hands and be nice and toasty. Ooh, dang it. I'm annoyed. Sorry, that was a lot. I'm like loving everything in this box, and I don't know how to feel about it. It's a good thing, trust me. This means that like whoever they have as my stylist, well done you. So these are the jeans that I showed you guys a little earlier in this video. They fit really, really well. I will say Stitch Fix is constantly on point with their jeans. At least for me, the fit of them is always superb. So these are a size 0. They're a little bit snug, but not like, I like tight jeans. Like I don't want my jeans to feel loose and baggy and blah, whatever. Super snug. They feel like they kind of make my butt look flat, but like, I don't know, I feel like that's opening a can of worms. Anyways, they fit really comfortable in the front. It's not pulling too much. It's sitting really comfortably. There's still some stretch in them. And then the shoes. Let me know what we think. Sorry, ignore all of that back there. So these are the shoes, the little wedge booties from Tom's. I don't know how in love with them I really am, if I'm being honest. They're different. I don't have anything like them. They're comfortable, which I like. This one's a little bit more snug than this one, but I think my feet are just different sizes. It's fine. But yeah, the wedge is comfortable. They're easy to move in. They seem like they move really well. They're not too tight. They're not pinching. I just don't know if I'm in love with the style of them, to be totally honest. Like, I like them, don't get me wrong, but I don't know if I'm like in love. Let me know down in the comments below if you think I should keep or get rid of. Okay. So this is the jumper one piece. Hello. I do not know how to feel about this at all. Like, at all. Let's pull you up a little bit. It's really well fitting, but I don't know if it's too mature. I'm 26 and I kind of feel like this dangerously creeps into like, and no offense to these professions by the way, I feel like this creeps into like librarian, elementary school teacher vibe, which again, like, love those careers, but a little conservative if you agree. So I don't know how to feel. I don't know. Hang on, let's go all the way down so you guys can see like the pant part. I don't know. They're a little bit long. That's the other thing. It's super comfortable. That's great. It's really comfortable. It fits really well. There's pockets, which you know I'm like all about. I'd have to wear it with heels, and like even then there's still a bit like long, and I'm like tippy-toeing right now. Yeah, I really like it. I just don't know if the top is like awesome. Like the longer sleeve aspect, I'm just not loving. And then there's a little clasp button right here that you can undo, but then again, I don't know if that's like, oof, I don't know. You guys gotta help me out with this one. What do we think? Do we love it? Do we hate it? Is it so-so? Send it back? Keep it? Again, I kind of like it, but it's one of those where I'm like, I don't know, man. I'm kind of bummed too, because I was thinking of using this for my like Thanksgiving costume, or like, well, Thanksgiving dinner thing. Can these buttons? No, they're sewed. That's annoying. I was kind of going to see if I could like roll it down and see if that was a moment, but then I feel like it's like too covered up right now. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think I should keep, what I should send back. I'm conflicted. I enjoyed aspects of everything. Well done, Stitch Fix. You're gonna take all of my money this month. I just have a feeling. That's annoying. I was hoping to send most things back. Maybe keep one or two, but no. I like it all. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my November Stitch Fix try-on. Thank you so much for coming and watching with me, and as always, let me know what items you think I should keep down in the comments below. I will let you guys know down in the comments below which ones I end up keeping, actually. So let me know what you guys is your favorite, and other than that, that is it. Subscribe to see more of my face, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Goodbye!